Under the classification tab, click this green refresh button here and click yes to regenerate the classification to include the physical, health and environment hazard. And this will also trigger all the corresponding P statements based on the hazard classifications. If you want to see the H code, click here. Our STS for product demo is intended for EU, so we click here. This is the final hazard class of the demo product. As for P statements, I click here. You have to consider the P statement that appears in label section. The label wizard here will help with the P statement selection based on priority as per ECA guidance requirements. Since the demo product that we are working on is for industrial use, I will select industrial. When selecting, I will choose the appropriate P statements of what I see appropriate for my product and the hazards triggered. I will now select the 6 P statements considering the ECA guidance rule. I will move down here to see the P statement selected. Now click select. In this tiny box here, you can see how many P statements are selected. Now moving on to the incomplete codes. I will roughly see which statements are incomplete and will click the magnifying glass to select the appropriate statements. For example, I'll click here, and my demo product is a liquid, so I see mist, vapor and spray is more applicable, so I will click here and I will click save. Moving on to the UH code. If there's any UH classification that you wish to assign for your product, you may do it here simply by clicking the box here. And by bringing the cursor here, you can roughly see the explanation for each of the UH.